Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide someone's notes in Facebook Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in Messenger, you'll notice notes from your friends at the top of the chat list. To hide someone's note, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. A menu will slide out. Tap on the settings icon at the top to access your Messenger profile. Next, scroll down to the Preferences section. Under that, tap on Privacy and Safety. On the next screen, look for and tap on Hidden Contacts under the Safety and Wellbeing section. Then, tap on the Add button. Now, search for the friend or person whose notes you want to hide. Once you've added them, go back to your chat list, and you'll see that their notes are no longer visible at the top of the screen. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.